In today's digital age, having an eye-catching and user-friendly website is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. When it comes to your website, first impressions matter. Web design tips to wow your audience. To help you create a website that wows your audience, here are some web design tips to consider. 1. Keep it simple and clean. One of the most important principles of web design is simplicity. Keeping it simple means that your website should be easy to understand and navigate. Too much clutter or confusing design elements can make it difficult for visitors to find what they're looking for. A simple design should have a clear layout, a consistent color scheme, and a logical navigation structure. 2. Use responsive design. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it's essential to ensure your website is responsive. Responsive design ensures that your website looks and functions well on different screen sizes and devices. 3. Prioritize user experience. User experience (UX) should be at the forefront of your web design strategy. Make sure your website is easy to navigate with clear and intuitive menus. 4. Optimize for speed. As mentioned earlier, website speed is crucial for user experience. People have little patience for slow-loading websites, and if your site takes too long to load, visitors are likely to leave. 5. Use high-quality images and videos. Visual content plays a significant role in capturing your audience's attention. Images and videos can make your website more visually appealing and help to engage your visitors. 6. Implement a clear call to action. Every website should have a clear call to action, CTA, that guides visitors towards their desired action. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or contacting you, make sure your CTA stands out and is easily accessible. 7. Incorporate social proof. Social proof is a powerful tool in building trust and credibility. Include testimonials, reviews, and case studies on your website to showcase positive feedback from satisfied customers. This is where our company comes in. At Luemprex Digital Network, we help in creating well-designed website for businesses, companies, etc., which can make you have a lasting impression on your audience and achieve your online goals. I hope this article was insightful. Thank you.